Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com. Today I'm answering your question on if you should pin other people's content on Pinterest. Really good question. And so what I would tell you to do, because most people are just starting on Pinterest and they don't have a ton of content of their own to pin. So you want to actually start pinning other people's content just so you let Pinterest and the smart feed, which is Pinterest algorithm, know that you're going to be showing up and you're a consistent pinner. Pinterest looks at who's showing up consistently to decide. They look at a lot of different things, but one of the things they look at is who's pinning consistently when it comes to, I'm going to show this person's content in the smart feed. So if you don't have enough content of your own yet, then you should be pinning other people's stuff. The other reason why you might be pinning someone else's content is because you're in a Tailwind tribe. And Tailwind is a Pinterest scheduling tool that is amazing. And if you're in a Tailwind tribe, typically there are rules where I upload a pin of my own, and for every pin that I upload, I have to share somebody else's pin and pin that on Pinterest. And so just given the rules of Tailwind tribes, you probably would be pinning other people's stuff. Tailwind tribes can increase your reach like crazy. I have a blog post all about Tailwind tribes. So that would be the reasons why you would pin someone else's content. So I hope you found that helpful. If you want to dive in deeper into Pinterest, make sure to go to freepinterestclass.com to sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass, and I'll talk to you later.